Shiloh. Shiloh ba? And naghanap kami ng ka-birthday namin. Sorry. Condolence po. Hindi namin papakita yung mga pangalan, syempre for privacy rin nila. March 23, December 24, July 15, April 20. April 22, sino yun?
Si Ajor!
That ano pala yan? Dito po ka. Hello. Yan si Hana. Kita nyo ba guys?
Totoo pa talaga natataiyak ko.
Have you seen Ana?
April
Hana?
22! Si Ajor!
Hala, magkalapit si Kai. Tsaka kayo.
Tropa talaga kami.
Kami nila kayo magkakasama.
May nakita rin ako April 22. Doon.
Kasama namin sa Aljur. Siya mamimili.
Bakit?
Sabi niya ayaw niya sa amin, no?
Ay, October.
July 1,
October 26.
February 7.
Uy, July 1.
Meron.
Ba't yung Lester?
January 1. Happy New Year po.
Medyan din kasi tayo iyaan.
God.
Punta ko na to eh.
May 24.
Jasmine?
Ay, wala palang May sa atin. Si ano, ng Cheska at ano. 27 at
27
Lago, ulat, balita. Hi Hana.
Maraming May 2040.
Ha?
Maraming May 20.
Typhoon Karina delivered and... Wait lang, may mamalita ako niya. Typhoon Karina delivered intense rains that severely
Tayo yung production niya.
homes and residents of the affected areas. In Bulacan, the strong current of water coming from San Jose to May Kawayan overwhelmed flood barriers, causing the water level to surge from 1 to 5 feet. Meanwhile, in Agoncillo, Batangas, 4 people, including a pregnant woman, were killed by landslide due to Typhoon's heavy rainfall. Also, Karina caused widespread flooding across Metro Manila. Many roads are impassable and residents are struggling to clean up the debris and mud left behind. To get you closer to the situation, we have Kelly Pancet live in Bulacan.
Here we are live in Bulacan. So as we see now, there is big flood. Hi. The flood here is hampasing.
Hitting.
The weather now is impossible to go through the school and back to you.
Kasalukuyan po kami nandito sa
Tagalog ang pangit.
Ako si pinaka-anchor.
Pangit.
Kasalukuyan po tayo
Pilipino!
nandito ngayon sa
Gabi!
News report.
Report.
Ano ba nga? Isa pa?
Si Hana,